Howdy, folks. Glad to have you with us a little while today. You know, we're always glad to have company drop in. Just talking to some of the boys and girls a few minutes ago, and we wondered if maybe you wouldn't like to hear a different kind of old country song from what we generally do. Something kind of fast and funny, maybe, like this one by the Coon Creek Girls.
Oh, how many biscuits can you eat this morning?
This morning.
How many biscuits can you eat this evening?
This evening.
How many biscuits can you eat?
49 and a ham of meat.
This morning, this evening, right now. Oh, I love my wife and I love my baby this morning.
This morning.
Love my wife and I love my baby this evening.
This evening.
Love my wife and I love my baby.
Oh, I love my biscuits sopped in gravy.
Morning, this evening, right now. Oh, make my coffee good and strong this morning.
This morning.
Make my coffee good and strong this evening.
This evening.
Make my coffee good and strong.
Oh, keep on bringing the biscuits on this morning.
This evening, right now. Oh, how many biscuits can you eat this morning? How many biscuits can you eat this evening? How many biscuits can you eat? 49 and a ham of meat this morning, this evening, right now. Wow, 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 wow.